Okay, so hello guys, here's the last video of the day. Yeah, sad. But what we're coding now is gonna be a body info command. So this command isn't gonna take as long as I think, hopefully. I mean, I don't think this one is gonna take over 30 minutes, hopefully. So, let's get started coding. So, I've already set the config and the packages that we need. Actually, let's also do a moment. No, that's gonna be moment package. We don't need to require emmet. Well, we could do that. Require ms. We're gonna use either of those. So the first thing you want to do is write this. Well, if you want to delete the message, like who typed the command. If you want to see that, then you don't need to type it. Okay. First things first. Okay, so we're creating the end. This is not gonna take too long, as I said, because this isn't a really big command, except if you want to make it like really big, but I'm gonna keep it short. Okay, so we're setting the title, then we're making an @, field, displaying the user. So, like, we could display the name, the tag is what we're gonna display. So client.user.tag, if I can type. Sorry. What else are we gonna do? We're gonna display the mention, which is gonna be client, I'm pretty sure, and we're gonna display what else we gonna display is ID message dot, oh, but no, that's not what we're using. Client.user .id. Okay, and then we can set a thumbnail, which is gonna be client.user.display avatar URL. So now we're gonna make another @ field, which is gonna display the developer. Let's see. We're gonna do a new thingy. We're gonna do this. Yes, I know I missed an E, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so there's a new thing, client.users.find. The thing that this is basically what you use. So on the bot, you're searching for a user by the ID, and then you're gonna put your own ID, which is, in this case, it's gonna be my ID. So that would be, that would be this. Then I'm gonna search for developer, just gonna be tag owner.tag. And we could search for owner.id. What else could we display? There isn't much to display really. So you could make another add field which displays other. Then you have this set to true, and then you have, because it's gonna be inline, and this is gonna be displaying the prefix, which is actually let's put this above. Let's put this above the other. Prefix is this. Then we're going to do the library. Okay, so here's another thing I have to teach to you guys, which is masked links. So you could make a sort of blue clickable text. So then it would display this text. Actually, we're gonna make it this instead. And then between this, you're gonna put the link. So this is gonna be discord.js.org/ actually you don't need to put that slash there. But now we're gonna put version. This is gonna be a custom version. It doesn't really matter what you put here. So I'm just gonna put that. And then the last thing we want to do is what else could they get from me? I don't think there's anything else. Okay, so set color settings dot color, and then dot set footer, which is gonna be settings dot footer. And yeah, you kind of notice that this command is way smaller than the user and the guild command. With guild command I mean the server command, because you don't actually need to put a lot in here. I mean, I'm not gonna make it that advanced. And you maybe can see some of the previous you can see a bit of the previous video. That is where we made the server command, which was a quite long video. I'm sorry for that, but it's really advanced in my opinion. So the thing we want to do now is bot, and that'll return nothing. Okay. Actually, what we could do is set a description. So that's going to be underneath it. Okay. Clients.user.username is in version, and then we could remove that other thing, that other part, and then we could do when the bot was created, or we could put that at. We could put it there. Create it. Then we're gonna put. Wait, what was the error? We're gonna take a look. Okay, so the owner is not defined. Oh! Yeah, I did that wrong. So I've put owner instead of bot instead of bot owner. Right. So that was the problem. Okay, so moment, and then we're gonna do client.user.created@, and then that's format, which is gonna be same format as before, and there we go. Actually, let's move this back. Because I think it looks way better if we put it there. So we could make it instead displaying data for, and then we could do again. Okay, so what we want to do, well, I didn't know what happened there, but we are gonna do this. And then we're gonna do this, and then it displays displaying data for disclosure. There we go, and that is how you make a bot info command. So I hope you guys liked this video. I'm gonna now upload everything to the GitHub. Oh no, wait a minute. There's one thing where I made a mistake. Please, it's not displaying the so we needed to make it client.user, I'm pretty sure. So the bot is online now. And now we're gonna take a look. So let's do this, and then as you can see, it displays the mention. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, then be sure to subscribe. Like the video if you like the video, then be sure to like it. And as you can see, this works. As you can tell by this, it's actually working. It actually redirects us to the discord.js page. So thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye.